Restore your skin while sleeping with the Anti-Aging Night Duo. This duo helps to visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles while increasing skin's hydration to help skin softness and suppleness. The Anti-Aging Night Cream has powerful antioxidants to help fight environmental stressors, while marine extracts and peptides provide hydration. The Crème de Serum takes a triple approach to combating the signs of aging with 3 powerful anti-aging ingredients: super antioxidant melon complex, anti-aging peptides, and hyaluronic acid. Manufacturer 60-day product exchange guarantee. This item is eligible for a product exchange guarantee when purchased from an authorized seller. If for any reason you are dissatisfied or have an issue with your product, we will happily exchange your item for the same item, brand new, even if the bottle is empty. Please contact the manufacturer for more information. 1 exchange per customer. Anti-Aging Night Cream ingredients: water, aqua, Isononyl Isononanoate, Ethylhexyl Palmitate, Prunus Amygdalus Dulcis, sweet almond oil, Polyglyceryl-10 Distearate, Polysorbate 20, Dicaprylyl Maleate, Polymethyl Methacrylate, Polyacrylate 13, Castor Isostearate Succinate, Maltooligosyl Glucoside, Isopropyl Myristate, Cucumis Melo, melon, fruit extract, Ascorbyl Methylsilanol Pectinate, Oryza Sativa, rice, extract, Hippophae Rhamnoides Oil, Magnesium Ascorbyl Phosphate, Soluble Collagen. Tripeptide 3, hexapeptide 9, cholesterol, Hydrogenated Phosphatidylcholine, Retinyl Palmitate, Palmitoyl Proline, Palmitic Acid, Tocopherol, tocotrienols, Decarboxy Carnosine HCL, Jojoba Alcohol, Potassium Jojobate, Saccharomyces/Zinc Ferment, Elaeis Guineensis, palm oil, Hydrogenated Vegetable Oil, Magnesium Palmitoyl Glutamate, Sodium Palmitoyl Sarcosinate, Hydrogenated Starch Hydrolysate, C12-20-alkyl glucoside, C14-22 alcohols, magnesium aluminum silicate, polyisobutene, caprylyl glycol, butylene glycol, alcohol, glycerin, hexylene glycol, disodium EDTA, ethylhexyl glycerin, benzoic acid, phenoxyethanol, fragrance, parfum, benzyl benzoate, benzyl salicylate, citronellol, limonene, alpha-isomethylionone, geraniol, hexylcinnamol, butylphenyl methylpropionyl, linalool. Crème de Serum ingredients: water, aqua, cyclopentasiloxane, glycerin, neopentyl glycol diheptanoate, pentylene glycol, castor isostearate succinate, butylene glycol, polymethylsilyl sesquioxane, C30-45-alkyl cetyl dimethicon cross-polymer, dimethicon cross-polymer, Cucumis Melo, melon, fruit extract, Elaeis Guineensis, palm oil, hydrogenated vegetable oil, tocopheryl acetate, sodium hyaluronate, magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, soluble collagen, Maltooligosyl Glucoside, caprylyl glycol. Decarboxy Carnosine HCL, hexapeptide 9, tripeptide 3, Saccharomyces/Zinc Ferment, cholesterol, tocotrienols, tocopherol, dimethicon, ethylhexyl glycerin, glyceryl acrylate/acrylic acid copolymer, ethylhexyl hydroxystearate, hydrogenated phosphatidylcholine, silica dimethyl acylylate, hydrogenated starch hydrolysate, hydroxypropyl guar, polysilicone 11, aminomethylpropanol, hexylene glycol, alcohol, disodium EDTA, carbomer, phenoxyethanol, fragrance, parfum, alpha-isomethylionone, benzyl benzoate, benzyl salicylate, butylphenyl methylpropionyl, citronellol, geraniol, hexylcinnamol, limonene, linalool, iron oxides, Ci77491, Ci77492, titanium dioxide, Ci77891, helps increase skin hydration, visibly firms, tones and smooths the look of skin, helps reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.